I don't like him, but I'm willing to be his deputy. That is David Coleman, head of the College Board, which administers the SAT and other tests. And I would relish this because I, a test prep teacher for over 30 years, can help ambitious students better than Mr. Coleman's deputies currently do. They have disserved him. They have bought into social engineering instead of keeping the SAT as a rock-solid admissions standard. I'd like to return to that. It's better for colleges. It's better for kids, especially for black kids. I'll get back to that in a minute. The SAT is a decent test of abilities. It used to be a better test. It could be, again, a great test. Tone down the intricate math. Leave that for kids who are going into high-level math fields. Play up the reasoning aspects. Maybe even add an element of LSAT, which tests the reasoning really well. I know the SAT almost as well as Mr. Coleman, and I understand the purpose of the SAT even better than Mr. Coleman. It's to test fairly and with integrity. It's to give colleges a snapshot of where students stand in terms of academic knowledge and resourcefulness. That's been the traditional pair of things. Let the colleges sort things out beyond the SAT. Unfortunately, the SAT makers of late have tried to do more. They have wanted to socially engineer. They've wanted to remedy adversity. I have a remedy, and so do you, Mr. Coleman. It's your own SAT from 2 decades ago. That one, era 1995 to 2005, tested resourcefulness better than ever since. We can get back to it. We can get back to a test that measures not knowledge that you've gained from a good or not so good school system, but what you do with base level knowledge that almost every American student already has. And it's a beautiful remedy against adversity, because especially urban schools, they don't educate students as well in knowledge of intricate things. So no wonder black students who are often in these urban schools are hurt by it. I would like to head the SAT division of the College Board. I hereby apply. I would instantly be able to give a test that is fair and doesn't disadvantage urban students. I would bring back much of what was done 2 decades ago. I would make sure that there is no funny business from Asian testers who are seeing tests beforehand. I would be able to computerize, but with integrity. These are things that should have been going on instead of looking to socially engineer. I hope the SAT will right itself, and I hereby apply to help. What's my background? It's test prep. And what test prep does is advantages ambitious students. It almost doesn't matter what your K through 8 background is, because the skills that are tested are coachable in a short period of time. If I have kids for 2 years, 9th and 10th grade, they will get in the 1200s at least. I guarantee it. Every urban school district should be calling my firm. It is a coachable test in mostly meaningful things. So it does 2 purposes. It elevates your students for college admissions and scholarships that can come with it, and it improves their abilities for life. How good is that? Test prep companies should not be marginalized. We are the ones who actually do meaningful stuff when sometimes school districts are failing the kids. It's a relatively quick remedy to adversity that really exists for a lot of families. And please appreciate this. For years, of college is the greatest remedy for inequity generationally, because no matter what a student's background, no matter what his or her family history is, when you've graduated from a competitive four-year college, you're instantly upper middle class. Nobody cares in the employment world what your background is. You've got that degree. I am proud to be helping students using the SAT. It's a very good tool to bring them into that college cauldron that integrates everybody on an even playing field by the end of those 4 years. If it's a good test, the world should be embracing test prep firms because it allows students who are ambitious to catch up if they need to get ahead if they want to, on an even playing field.